Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna unbox the new Redmi AX6 mesh router that just came out a few weeks ago in China. So let's get started. First, over the top right, you'll find a Wi-Fi 6 logo as this router is Wi-Fi 6 ready. And going a bit down, you have a big image of the router itself. On the bottom, you have some specs telling you that this router is powered by a 6-core Qualcomm chip and that is able to deliver up to almost 3000 megabytes per second, that is 600 megabytes per second over the 2.4 GHz band and 2400 megabytes per second over the 5 GHz band. Also, the router features 6 high-gain antennas. On the sides of the box, you'll find text reminding you that this is a Redmi router. Finally, on the back, you have some comparisons between Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 5 and some images about how the OFDMA technology is improving simultaneous access to the router. And over the bottom, you can see that this router brings 512 megabytes of RAM, 2x2 MIMO over the 2.4 GHz band and 4x4 MIMO over the 5 GHz band, plus 3 GB LAN and 1 GB WAN port. So opening the box, we can find the router itself. As you can see, it is covered with a plastic bag and the antennas are also covered with plastic bags. In the box, you can also find the instruction manual. So this instruction manual is in Chinese as the router is only available on the Chinese market so far. Finally, we have the charger. So this charger has 2 pins, that is a US region format, and it can deliver up to 12 volt 1.5 amp, so that means 18 watts. Looking a bit more at the device, we can find instructions about how to quickly set up the router over the plastic bag. Now I'm just gonna remove the plastic from the router to see how it looks like. As you can see, the router has a Redmi logo on it. It is fully in white and also fully in plastic. On the front we have 2 light indicators, one for the internet and one for the system. You can also see the 6 high-gain antennas. On the back we have the reset button, the charging hole, 1 GB WAN port and 3 GB LAN ports. Finally, under the router, we have the consumption of the device, the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi SSIDs, and the MAC address of the router. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you did, and stay tuned for the review coming pretty soon on the channel. I'll see you next time.